Hello friends, मैं चक्र पाणी पांडे welcoming you to my YouTube channel Pushvatika Gunda. Today I am showing you how to care and fertilize your lemon plant. You can see besides me this is a lemon plant and there is no flower and there is no fruit in this plant. So today I show you how to fertilize it, proper fertilization, watering it, that your plant may grow and produce a lot of flowers and fools. So what can I do? Please look in my video and see my video. So first of all, we can cut out the dry leaves and the dry branches with a sharp pruner, and this is the first step. You can do your plant properly, and then you can maintain the water of this plant. This is 12-inch and 12 diameter pot from which I can put it the lemon plant, and you can see the root of the plant. So now I apply what fertilizer to produce the flowers and fruits in this plant. See that. First of all, with a sharp instrument, you can dig out the media of the plant. Properly dig out the media of the plant, and then you can do like this. I want to say one thing, that lemon plant needs about 6 or 7 hours sunlight. So you put this plant in proper sunlight, although in winter, although in hot season, and care properly. This fruit plant have a lot of vitamins, minerals, irons, etc. So we need to do as a fertilizer iron, multi micronutrient, cow dung manure and rock phosphate. So I put a pot, and first of all we need to add the iron about 2 spoonful or 3 spoonful for one plant. Then I put rock phosphate. Rock phosphate is source of potassium phosphate. I put it also, and now I put Biovita. Biovita is source of a lot of micronutrient. You can see in the leaf of this sulfur, iron, magnesium, manganese, calcium, other. So I put it about 2 spoonful or 4 spoonful, and then last I cow dung manure, potassium, nitrogen, phosphorus. All things have in this. I put it now. You can use vermicompost instead of cow dung manure or kitchen waste manure. Then properly mix it, and some soil keep one side and put it properly. Look at the side and the other side also. And one side also. Just put the soil properly. This is enough for 6 months. This fertilizer is enough for 6 months, and now you can water. Water management is very required for the lemon plant. When the soil is dry, you can water. Otherwise, enough water, a lot of water, destroy your plant, and leaves and fruits and flowers like this starting dropping. So do not put in enough a lot of water. You just water when the plant required. The last thing is a blue copper fungicide. You can also put in the soil some fungicide after 10 or 12 days fertilizing. After 10 or 12 days fertilization. And now one thing, when your plant do not pursue a lot of flowers and plants, you can spray Miraculan. Miraculan is the best spray of fruiting and flowering. So I put it, this pot have spray machine have 2 liter of water. So I put 5 and other 5 ml. 1 liter, 5 ml and 2 liter of water, you can put 10 ml. Now I properly tie the cap and mix it well and then push. Thoroughly the plant. Look at that. Every leaves and every branches should be put the Miraculan in every leaves and every branch. So you can repeat this after 7 days, and that is the proper treatment of lemon plant. Friends, if you do this, you can produce a lot of flowers and fruits in this plant. That is my today's video about lemon plant care and treatment. Thank you so much. If you see my video, you can share, and if you are new, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you so much.